Hey guys! We're going to be doing a little video today. We have not done one in a long time. We are going to make, what was it called?
Puffy Coke.
Fluffy Coke. We're going to be using marshmallow cream. Yep. And got a spatula.
And we have some Coke, McDonald's Coke.
We have McDonald's Coke because it's the best, and we ate there for dinner, and plus I forgot to get Coke, so we're going to use that today. All right, we're going to start off by, I've seen this on here, smearing this marshmallow cream on the inside. Okay, let me show you how to do it, then you can do yours. Okay, and you just smear it around on the inside of your glass. Carson's putting his in. I'm gonna get this marshmallow off of me. It's all over me. All right, we have our cups ready. We're gonna carefully pour our Cokes in. Just fill up these.
Oh no! We have our Coke made. We just had a spittle.
All right,
Just a jewel.
I'm going to swirl mine around. Swirl yours around. You ready? Let's try it together. Ready? Let's try it.
Tastes like regular Coke.
You don't think it kind of tastes like a float? It tastes like a float.
Not mine. I'll try yours.
Now, why would mine taste?
Why does you taste mine? Mine tastes like regular Coke.
What do you think it? Mine's Diet Coke. Yours is regular Coke. You don't think yours tastes good? It kind of tastes like a float. Yeah, get some of that in there.
Look at this.
I think it kind of tastes like a float, like an ice cream float. I'll tell you one thing, I wasn't expecting that marshmallow cream to stick to the sides like that. That's gonna be real fun to get off the cup, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's good. You like it? Not a lot of flavor, just a little bit, but I thought it was pretty good.
Bye guys!
If you make this, don't put ice in your Coke. Just put cold Coke in there without ice, and it probably would taste even better.